How to start a car rental business with just $3,500 and no Turo? This is exactly what I'll do. Find a reliable economy car, Honda, Toyota, etc., under $3,000 on Facebook Marketplace. Go on yourmechanic.com and bring a mechanic with you to check out the vehicle. Set up your LLC for free on Busy, then get commercial insurance. Market the car on Facebook Marketplace for free. Get a rental agreement and GPS tracker with the kill switch. Collect a deposit and charge weekly payments of $350 weekly. After 2 to 3 months, you make back your money. Then rinse and repeat.
Great advice. The brother gave good advice if you're trying to get into the private rental car space. Okay, if you're trying to get into the private rental car space and you don't want to go the Turo route, this was great information. Let's break it down. 30. He said 3,000, but he said 3,500. I know how that be when you're making content. Sometimes mess up, but he said for $3,000 you could find a good cash car for $3,000, $3,500 on Facebook Marketplace. That's what he said. Go look on Facebook Marketplace. Get you go to yourmechanic.com so you can have a mobile mechanic come out and check out your vehicle. All right. Make sure it's in tip top shape so you can get it running to your renters. He said create your LLC. Smart. So you can put this thing in your business name now. Then he said you put this same car on Facebook Marketplace. You advertise it again that you rent it out for $350 a week. That's $1,400 in a month. On this one car that you purchased for $3,000 or $3,500, it can take you possibly 3 to 4 months to make that money back. So now your return on investment is 3 to 4 months. You're all in the green from there on out. Every $1,400 that come in to you go straight to you now because you done made your money back, your initial investment back. So this is good information here if you're trying to get into the private rental car space. Make sure you do your own due diligence though when it comes to this, your own research on the insurance companies. All this information is out here, y'all. It's everywhere. All the information that we want and to get information to anything that we want, it's at the tip of our fingers with these devices that we hold in our hand. Let me show you something. Cause you be on here just scrolling all day and not implementing some of the information. Even probably with this video you see, you gonna see it, like it, save it, and then you get the doom scrolling. You scrolling again. That's how social media works. How you in the trance. So don't be in the trance if you really trying to get out of the trenches. If you're trying to change some stuff in your life and you want to get down the rental car space, you watching this video for a reason. Okay. That reason saying that you have some type of interest in this and you just want to know more information. But don't get so bent on receiving all this information, and then you never do nothing with the information. All right. I'm a person that do with the information. So I want y'all to do the same thing if you really want to. But this was good advice. You know, if you like this video, let me know. Like, share, subscribe. Follow me, all that good stuff. I'm on Instagram at William_Boston. I know a lot of this content go directly to YouTube and then I disperse it out to the other platforms. But I get a lot of hits on YouTube and everybody wants to know how to get in contact with me. Go to Instagram at William_Boston. I about damn near forgot my name. At William_Boston. Hit me up and then, we'll talk, we'll chat. Let me know what y'all think about this video in the comments. It's your boy William Boston. I'm up out of here.